I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by joining the Teams meeting and opening Whiteboard from Share Content. This lets everyone view and contribute in real time. Once done, choose New Whiteboard to create a blank canvas or pick an existing board to continue work. Make sure to grant any access prompts so participants can edit. Without that, only you can draw. You're creating a shared space quickly so participants won't lose time switching apps, and you'll keep context inside the meeting for faster collaboration. Once the canvas is open, start adding content. Draw with the pen for freehand ideas, drop sticky notes for tasks, and use text or shapes for structure so everyone reads easily. Make sure to use frames to create slides or sections. This organizes thoughts and guides the meeting flow. Invite participants to edit when you want live input, or set view only to control changes. You'll find grouping and arranging elements keeps the board readable and speeds up decision-making during the meeting. To finish, export the board or copy its share link so attendees keep the output. Saving to the team or OneDrive preserves versions for follow-up. Once done, summarize key frames aloud and assign next steps using sticky notes or text so responsibility is clear. If participants report missing edits, refresh the whiteboard, confirm their edit permission, and reshare the board link. Often a simple reload or permission fix restores real-time sync. That keeps collaboration smooth after the meeting ends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.